Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So a lot of you guys have been asking about the wallpapers that I'm using, and so in this video I wanted to go ahead and show you the wallpapers that I'm using. These aren't any kind of special custom wallpapers, and you can definitely get them depending on which phone you have. I don't need to link them down below, and I don't need to put a link out on the internet, because I'm going to show you in this video how to get these wallpapers. Ironically enough, these are pretty old wallpapers, and I guess people haven't really seen them. So I'll start with the OnePlus. This is basically Google Wallpapers. I don't have any kind of special thing going on here. I just go into these wallpapers here and I choose the ones that I actually want to use. So this one, there's one in here that you guys were asking about, and it's by Textured. And it's this gray one right here you guys were really liking, and it's this one. This is just wood. This is just some wood fence blacked out, or somebody crisscrossed some wood, and this is how you get it. You download wallpapers from the Google Play Store, and you'll be able to get these wallpapers. This is just the official Google wallpapers here, and you just get into it. You go into the settings and you go to wallpapers and you select that, and this wallpaper that I'm using currently right now is down here in geometric shapes, and there's a whole bunch of different ones. This is the one I'm using. You can change it to all these different colors. You just need to have internet access while you're doing this, and you'll be able to switch it to whatever you want. So if you wanted to change it to this one right here, I just change it, and then I make sure it's pinched out, and then I set it how I want to set it, and that's pretty much it. There's nothing spectacular about that. On some phones you might have to pinch to get it out, pinch in like that to get the full resolution for the wallpaper, but that's what I'm currently using right there. So a lot of people have asked about that one. That's where I got that one from. There's a couple of more that I use that people are asking where you got them from. Pretty much there, if it's any Android phone, this is what I'm using. I think there's another one in here that someone asked me about. See if I can find it here. I just go through, folks, and I just choose a wallpaper sometimes and change it up every other day or so. I might be under, I've got it on my Mi 8 Pro. This wallpaper right here, these trees with the little roadway right there. I forgot where I think that was in the landscapes. Here it is right here. So this one I had to pinch it out, as you can see, and if I wanted to set that as my wallpaper, you can see this is what you're gonna get. And depending on how nice your screen is, or whatever you're using for a phone, this is how I've been doing it with Android. I'm just using the official Google wallpapers, and those came from the Google Store. Now when it comes to Samsung, I've been actually using the theme store to get some of these wallpapers. So I'll just go into themes here, and I'll go over to wallpapers, and as you can see, these are some of the wallpapers that I've chosen. So if I go here, hit the plus sign, this is the current wallpaper. You can see that you just press it and it'll set it to the home and lock. But these are just the default wallpapers from Samsung for you guys. You guys have to dig into your phones, man, and really get in there and search for things within your phone. This is called black though, and you've got some solid ones. Now some of these this is downloaded. I'm not saying these are default. These are the defaults down here. However, these up here are all downloaded from the Samsung theme store, and where you can get wallpapers and things like that. So this is what you have to do. You have to get in there, you have to dig around. This earth one right here, people frequently ask me for this, but it's just a wallpaper that I downloaded from the store for free. This is just the wallpaper. I went into the Samsung theme store, and if I try to get this off, it just doesn't look as good. I've tried it to post it out there. It just doesn't look as good. But this is the wallpaper. Sorry if you hear some noise. I got the windows open. It's beautiful outside, but this is the wallpaper. This is what it is. Nothing special about these. These are just wallpapers that I go search for, and I set them, and that's it. That's all it is. So a lot of you guys asked about the wallpapers, and this is where I'm getting them from. This one right here, people really liked when they saw it on, I think, one or two of my videos. This is it right here. It's a beautiful, beautiful wallpaper. But if you do in fact have the wallpaper app installed on your Samsung device. Let me see if I have it installed on here. I normally don't install it. Oh, there it is right there. Yeah. So if you want to get into it this way, you want to go in this way. So if you want to do that textured one, you want to go down and get it directly from the Wallpapers app. It's a really nice wallpaper. Pretty much, it's just a clean wallpaper, and it looks good because I have the Cloud Silver Galaxy Note 9, so it really sets it off. It's a really good look. So that is how I customize my phones with different wallpapers. I hope you guys enjoyed. There's no special tricks or anything. So many people have asked this question, so I decided to just go ahead and post a quick video on it. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's your man Jay, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.